Hello everybody. In these figures we're going to find areas of the regions and their unusual shapes. We'll call them irregular figures, and the key to finding the areas is to break them down into known figures so we can use those formulas to find the areas that we're after here. If you look at number 1, we have this weird looking shape. Notice it is a rectangle, a 34 by 15 rectangle, and a semicircle. Now the rectangle is easy. It'll be 34 by 15. We're going to add that to a circle. The circle has the radius of 7.5. So we take 7.5 quantity squared times pi, and all this in the calculator. One more thing, be sure to divide that by 2 due to the fact that it is a semicircle, not a full circle. In the calculator this reads as 598.4 square feet. Okay, in number 2 we have seems to be two parallelograms. One is, both of them are the same. In fact, if we folded along this dotted line, they'd be matched up perfectly. We know these from edge to edge is 40, but if we go just from here to here, that would give us 20, and that would act as the height of this parallelogram. Remember, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. We have 2 of these, so we take 2 times the base of 24 times the height of 20. This yields the area of both parallelograms. It comes out to 960 square inches. Okay, number 3 here. If we look here, we have 2 triangles. You can break it up like this. Here's this triangle and the other triangle, and it is a matter of applying the formula for triangles. 1/2 base times height. Let's look at this one here. The base is 38, the height is 14. Add that to base and the height. Base times height, 40 times the height of 10. Putting this all together in the calculator, 466 centimeters squared. For number 4, we have a triangle and a square. I can take care of the square easily, 22 squared. We need to add to that the triangle, 1/2 base times height. Well, the base is going to be the same as the side of a square, 22. The height, distance from here to here, well, we know the whole distance is 42. 42 minus 22 is just 20. The height is 20. Putting all this in the calculator, 22 squared plus 1/2, 22 times 20 yields 704 square centimeters. For number 5, we appear to have 2 parallelograms. The height of each one would be 32, and both bases are of both. We got one base of 20, one base of 40. We got 2 of them, so let's multiply everything by 2. Area of a trapezoid, 1/2 the height, which we see here as 32, times both bases added together, 20 plus 40. And then all this together in the calculator, 1,920 square meters. For number 6, we have 2 triangles. It appears that the base of each of them are 35, and the height is going to be 7.5, cutting this 15 in half. So 2 of these, 2 times 1/2 base of 35 times the height of 7.5, and if we put that in the calculator, it yields 262.5, and that is square yards. There we are.